Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call add vote on poll endpoint in React application. So let's get started. Let's navigate to the VS Code. As you can see, the component for view poll details. As you can see, the tag for card content. Inside this tag, I'm going to add here the condition after the typography tag where we are showing here the poll question. So as you can see, the condition where we are checking here poll.voted or poll.expired, then we have to show the poll vote percentage on the every option of the poll. Inside this, I'm going to call the method map on the poll.optionsDTOs. Inside this, we have the tag for React fragment. Let me import this. Inside the React fragment, I'm going to add here the tag for div. Inside the div, I'm going to add here the tag for linear progress. So as you can see, the tag for linear progress. Let me import this. On this tag, we have the props value, where we are showing here the percentage of the poll vote. So as you can see, the simple mathematics formula that we have option dot vote count divided by poll dot total vote count, and we have to multiply this with 100. If this formula value is not a number, then we have to show here the 0. Otherwise, we have to show the value of this formula. After the linear progress, I'm going to add here the tag for div. So as you can see, the tag for div. Inside this, we have the tag for typography. First, we have to show here the option title. Second, we have to show the percentage of the total vote count on the particular option. We are calculating here the formula value on this option title. If a value is not a number, then we have to show this percentage. Otherwise, we have to show here the value of the formula. After this typography tag, we have to show this icon when option dot user voted this option as true. I'm going to import this icon on the top. So as you can see, the import. In case if a poll.voted or poll.expired has false, then you have to show all the options. So let me cut this. Let me add here inside this block, where we're calling here the JS function map on poll.optionsDTOs. Inside this, we have the tag for paper, where we are showing here all the poll options title. On this paper tag, I'm going to add here the event on click. On this event, we have to call here the function handle add vote. Inside the argument, we have to pass here poll ID and the option ID. As you can see, the implementation of handle add vote function. Let me give you the overview again of this block. So we are checking here the value of poll.voted or poll.expired has true. Then we have to show the results of the poll, where we have to calculate the percentage of the vote count on every option. In case if a poll.voted or poll.expired has false, then we have to show this paper tag, where on the click of this, we are calling it the function handle add vote to post a vote on a poll. Now at the last, I'm going to update this card actions tag, where I'm going to replace this React fragment with this condition, where we are checking here if a poll.expired has true, then we have to show this typography tag, where we have to show the total vote count. In case if a poll.expired has false, then we have to show these typography tags. First, we have to show here total vote count and the expired at. Now you can take a look of a view poll details component. Now let's navigate to the browser. Let's click on this icon to view this poll. Now as you can see, we are getting here the final results because this poll has expired. Let's go to the dashboard page, and I'm going to open this poll, where we have the expiry of this poll August 20. Let's go to the view details page, and I'm going to click on this option to add a vote on this poll. As you can see, the snack bar we got poll voted successfully, and we are getting here the percentage on this option with a check circle. After the options, we are getting here the total vote count on this poll. Let's go back to the dashboard page, and I'm going to open this poll in view poll details page. Let's click on this option to add vote on this poll. As you can see, the snack bar we got poll voted successfully, and we are getting here the percentage value with a check circle. That's all for now from my side. Thanks for watching.